What's up, guys? We are here at the Rocky Top Diesel Shootout number 8. We do this show every year and it gets bigger and better every single year. We're set up a little early and there's already a ton of people here. So here's our setup. We're gonna have a good time. Stand by.
What up? Hey. I like your...
Like my thingy?
Yeah, your thingy.
I've always liked my thingy.
It's a true story. Oh, bro, I'm ready to put a hole right in my ankle. And then not go to the hospital.
We had a friend, our announcer last year. Was it year before last? Last year. He was riding some flip-flops and he crashed his bike and literally, I'll post a video, it's gross, you'll see. Oh, it's squirting. Shit. It's squirting.
Do a trick!
We have started some racing qualifying and oh my god, these things are fast. Rod just went and got a whole pizza. He got the whole thing. Rod, how was the pizza?
Delicious.
It was pretty good for a really hot track pizza. Hey, we just popped into a show here. We're waiting on a car, so they're gonna throw us ahead of everybody. And yeah, so that's the deal. That car's like, hey, I need 10 minutes, so you know. Is there anywhere we can't be? I'm Rodney. That's Jesse.
Rodney,
yeah.
Jesse Toler. Hi.
Or something like that, yeah. I mean, it wouldn't be the first time today that I've been called Rodney.
Mike, we've got Rodney Sargent from Atlanta. Hey Jesse, what are you going to do first?
I'm going to start with a wheelie, and then from there I'm just going to try not to die the whole time.
That sounds like a great idea. So
yeah.
We're going to start. You guys give him a hand.
I'll take left lane. Let's do staggered, second gear. I'm winning. Right here. Damn, didn't want to come up that time. All right, so Brian said wrap it up. So let's go down there and do like a circle and we'll be out. right, so Rodney ran out of gas in that show, so we only got like 30 minutes to our next show, so we're going to get some gas. We got cars and RVs and stuff, but this is way more fun. You can't like have mini bikes around and Rodney around and not go on a mini bike adventure. I really hope this thing doesn't like fall off and just like get lodged in my wheel and kill me. Uh-oh, I'm losing the gas can. Yeah, but go if you're going. I'm holding it. Damn, I only got 2 tinted visors. I didn't think I would need a clear visor. Damn, highway patrol. Not really sure how I'm gonna do this intersection with one hand. I just use my my other hand, that's all. Oh, I stalled it. Right to the left of your hair is just fine. All right, we made it. We made it. My gas can definitely didn't work. If you guys ever take a gas can to the gas station, don't do it like this. It doesn't work.
Yeah, you got that.
What do you think, guys?
Perfect. All right, let's go. Let's go, bro. Come on. Let's get it. Dude. He's gonna blow us up. Let's go.
Alright guys, last show of the night. We just had a diesel truck take off down the track, do a whole run without its fuel cap on. Spilled diesel fuel all the way down the track, so they cleaned it up, but you know how that goes. A lot of moisture right now, so hopefully everything's still sticky. These trucks are still running, so that's a good sign. Are we ready? Right.
Hey, so the last show y'all did really good. You did wheelies and you didn't die.
We did, and we're pretty much going to go with that same show this time. We're going to do wheelies and try not to die.
Hey, anything special to come around? I like that who's fast. All right, let's get it done.
It feels like we got stoppies traction. Yeah, buddy. Alright guys, we are done for tonight anyway. That track was definitely a little sketch. I don't know if you guys have ever ridden on a prepped drag strip before, but it's like, it's not traction, it's just sticky, like glue. So it doesn't let your tire roll over or anything like that. Definitely hard to do burnouts, if even possible. But anytime you survive a fast show at a drag strip, you're doing pretty good. So today was a success, and we're actually gonna jump in the car, head home for a night, and be back in the morning. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey, all right, we're back. We're day 2. We just got everything set up. Everything. Rodney's ready.
Hey.
So we're gonna go for the same game plan as yesterday, right?
Like same shirts, same like. You got the email.
Yeah, twinsies.
First show of day 2. Man, I like the camouflage, man. Shit looks dope. Guys, once again, we're getting rushed because we had a BMW spin out and hit the wall, so they're gonna throw us in there to irritate the crowd while they're getting that cleaned up. Try to get you guys a good look of it.
Yeah, this lane only, this, stay away from the truck deal.
Okay. There it is, guys, a Beamer and a wall. That's, you thought you were having a bad day.
The first crazy person is Jesse Toler. He's from right here in Tennessee. Tell me a little bit, what are we going to do for the stunts here? We're going to do like some wheelies and stuff, or what do we got in store?
All right, the first thing I'm gonna try to do is avoid that truck parked in the middle of the track. That it looks really heavy, a lot heavier than this thing, so I'm not gonna hit that. That's number 1.
That's a good start.
Yeah, number 2 is entertain you guys. So the louder you guys get, the faster we go. So we need some speed out here.
You guys ready for this or what? All right. And Rodney, all the way from Atlanta, Georgia. What's your plan?
I'm just going to go with rule number 1, don't suck, and rule number 2, don't die.
These are good rules, and we should y'all should do the wheelies and stuff. Make it burn out.
That's like rules to live by right there.
It really is.
Right behind you. Hey, what's up, man? Coming in hot behind you. Just kidding, I got all over the place. Yeah, it was steering me all over the place.
I got snack mix. I got blackberry pie. I got 4 double cheeseburgers. and stuff.
I got some jalapeno cheese spread. I got some pure chocolate peanut butter. Wolfie pie, look at this Wolfie pie. And hey. Dude, how big your burger right there?
Look, did you get? But this is just one of 4. There's three more coming. I don't know how you do it.
So I think me and Rodney both are on the same page that we should not have ate that double cheeseburger. Oh man, that was a big meal. But we're getting ready for our last show, and then this one's over with. So we just rode right out here. We didn't have to wait on anything this time, man. I like this VIP treatment. They just cleared the track for us. Pretty dope. Parts of a truck right there.
All right.
They probably don't need it anymore.
2 times Guinness World Record holder Jesse Toler, and we got Rodney Sargent all the way from Atlanta. How are you doing?
Doing great, man. Everybody's been awesome.
Yeah, it's a cold tire right there. The best show is always saved for last, so that one was a blast with a foot race with the kids. All that was freaking awesome. It's hot, we're done, no crashes, no injuries. It's always a plus. Now it's time to put all this stuff out here in here. So now the battle begins. Bam! It's all in, and we are back at home base. So we have made it back. We made it through another Rocky Top Diesel Shootout. Everything went absolutely fantastic. It started raining about 5 minutes from the track. So we got super lucky with the weather again this year. So everything went perfect. So thanks everybody for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Kind of behind the scenes of a stunt show, I guess you'd say. So like, subscribe if you guys like this kind of stuff. This is what we do. See you guys.